Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria, aka Crown Vick, and I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing 5 different hairstyles with this wrap. This is my favorite style. What do you guys think? This is my favorite style with my hair wrap. It is 50 inches by 10 inches, if you guys were wondering what the measurements were. But yeah. So I just want to welcome everyone back, the Royal Court, for coming back. If you're subscribed, thank you so much for being a member of the Royal Court. And if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe so you guys can become a member of the Royal Court, so we can have our daily meetings. You know, our daily Royal Court meetings, so very important. Once you subscribe to be a member of the Royal Court, please click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And if you like these hair tutorials, I have not uploaded one in a while, so if you like this kind of video, please comment down below and let me know, which one's your favorite hair wrap style. So 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Okay, I'm not going to tell you which one this is. You have to stay tuned and watch. So without further ado, let's continue our Royal Court meeting and let the video commence.
Hairstyle number 1. First, I'm going to use one nylon headband. I love these because they're super stretchy. You can use them as hair ties or headbands, and they don't snag because it doesn't have the metal piece. I'm going to loop all of my hair through one time and then fluff it out because I want a big ponytail look, nice and voluminous, whatever. Then I'm going to tie it above my forehead so I can have some bangs, only once, and then tie it one more time in the back of my head, and then tuck in the back and the sides in the hair wrap to hide the ends of the hair wrap. Then I'm going to fluff out the bangs. I love it frizzy, but if you want it more defined, you can put your favorite curl smoothie or something like that. And there it is. That's it. That's that. Simple and easy. Number 2. So I'm going to use that same nylon hair tie. I'm going to bun my hair in a big fluffy bun. Put it once through, but don't let the ends come out. It's okay if it comes out a little bit, but on the back, because I have shorter pieces. So now I'm going to wrap it around the back of my head and tie it once. Tie it on my forehead, then slide it back to hide my edges so it's slicked back. Then I'm going to exchange the ends in either hand and bring it back and tie it in the back of my ponytail and tuck it in like the other tutorial. But when you switch them around, it gives you a different look in the front, like a different knot look.
If your head is not big like mine and the wrap will reach there, after you tie it like this, you can turn it around here like this, and so you can have this effect, like it's like a little tie. It's pretty cute. And I like to, if it's long enough, I just need a little bit more of a leeway. You could probably tie it, but I just tuck it like this in the back. But if you can tie it and tuck it, it's more secure. And then you just put like some bobby pins on the side. But I like this look as well, more of a turban look.
Hairstyle number 3. You need 2 bobby pins for this look and the nylon headband. I'm going to put my hair in a small bun in the nape of my neck to get it out of the way. Then I'm going to place the head wrap on top of my head and tie it in the back of my head. So the back of my head where the peanut part of your head is. Tuck in those edges unless you want to slick them down. This is my lazy girl head wrap tutorial, so I'm not going to do my edges because I'm trying to be quick and cute. And to make it tight in the front and in the back, you're going to pull on the edges of the on the hair wrap, and that's going to tighten the edges of the hair wrap that's on your head in the front by your forehead and in the back. So make sure you place it on your forehead where you want the head wrap to sit. And then I'm going to take each end of the head wrap and roll it. And when I get to the ends, make sure the fray is sticking out. So I just roll just one end of the head wrap instead of all of them together, so you can see the little fray effect. And then I'm going to bobby pin the end underneath the hair wrap so it can stay in place. If your head's a little bit smaller than mine, you can probably either tie it in the back or tuck it under by your ears. But I can't. My head's too big. So I gotta bobby pin that mug down. Then let the back out. Pop on some earrings and boom, you got a cute look. Took less than 5 minutes. I love this look. This is my absolute favorite, guys. If you guys like this look too, comment down below.
This is so cute.
Number 4. So it's going to be a low ponytail look. Put your hair in a low ponytail, fluff that mug out, make it nice and voluminous. Then I'm going to place the head wrap on top of my head and do a single knot tie in the back of my head. And you're going to do the same thing that you did in number 3. Pull the ends of the hair of the scarf so the front edge of the hair wrap is tight, and also in the back too, because this hair wrap is not very wide. So when you pull it down, it won't have like a gap that you can see in the back. It'll be flatter if you pull the ends of each end. Make sure you're pulling them at the same time, and it'll get tighter. Then I knot it twice on the top and bottom, and boom. Cute hair look. Looks like I'm about to make some bomb-ass biscuits. But I love that look. It's my go-to. And boom, pop on some earrings and you're a whole new woman, okay? Number 5. Last one. Thank you guys for sticking with me. Last one, guys. I hope you're enjoying it. So I'm going to do a triangle part in the front. I already have a middle part, so that's perfect. My hair is pretty dry right now, so I'm going to wet it. And then put some Miel Curl Smoothie. You can put anything you want. Hair milk, leave-in conditioner, and oil, whatever you want. I'm going to put some in my hair. And then I'm going to twist it up on each side. So I'm going to have 2 twists in the front of my hair for this hairstyle. And I need to trim, guys. Look at those ends. That's not going to cut it. I need to cut at least to my nose. Now I'm going to put my hair up again with my favorite hair tie. If you guys don't know, you guys need to get these nylon hair bands. These change my hair game. I love them so much. So yeah, put them in another big bun like we did in number 2, I think. And then we're going to do a single knot off center to the side, whatever side you like best. Then we're going to trade the ends on each hand and put them in the back so it has that cute knotted look in the front. And my edges are out, so now I got to do them. So I'm going to get my sideburns out, and I use the Miel edge control, if you guys are wondering what edge control I'm using right now. And just some simple edges. If you guys don't know, well, now you're going to know, I absolutely love edges. If you ask my mom if she's leaving somewhere and her edge is not done, I will stop her at the door, slick her edges down real quick, and then she can go. Or if I'm in the bathroom and she's doing her hair, I will step in and do them edges, okay? I love edges. So the bun's slightly tilted, which is really cute, which kind of goes with how the head wrap's kind of tilted. So it kind of looks like a Perry kind of look, like a Perry hat or Paris, whatever. So here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoy it. You can leave the twist in or take them out. It's up to you, but I like them out.
That concludes today's video, Royal Court. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up so I know to keep making some of these, because I do love rocking my hair wraps and wearing them different kinds of ways, especially because I'm a lazy natural. And it'll hide some things that I just want to save for later. I don't feel like doing my hair. And I can go on and on and on. But yeah, so that concludes the video. Thank you so much. Comment down below your favorite hairstyle, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. And if you decide to try some of these out, please let me know. And again, I will try to link the hair wrap down below. I bought this a while back, like 6 years ago, but I will link the exact one down below if I can find it. If not, I'll link some similar ones down below for good prices on Amazon if you'd like to check those out if you need a new hair wrap. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys next video, and thank you so much for watching to the end. I appreciate you guys. Bye.